Hi guys, so I woke up this morning. I was like, yeah, let's do something grand. And the way was like, yeah, I'm in. I said, okay, yeah. He started playing the string, and I was drinking water. I was like, yeah, let me cool down my temperature. So I allowed the instrument to flow into my spirit, into my soul. That's how I love to enjoy my music. Yeah. So I was just vibing to the piano that he was playing, and it sounds good. Oh boy, not be Nigerian film. So I think he's actually looking for the right string to use. So he finally got it, and yeah, sounds good. So I was vibing to it. Actually, what I'm doing is called vocables. So I'm just vibing. It's crazy how the vibe is already sounding like the real song. So it's crazy. So yeah, I was actually dancing and vibing to the beats already, because to me it was already sounding like the real song already. So I just had to vibe with it. If you watched it till the end, please give me a like, comment, share. My name is Tracy Kajo. Peace out. Mwah.